Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to scan QR code on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just swipe down from the top of your smartphone to open the control center. Now from here just tap on the scan option in your control center. Now for an example, if you cannot find the scan option in your control center, just go to your home screen and swipe down and open the control center. From here, just tap on the edit button at the top right of your control center. Now just drag the scan option to the control center, just like that. And once you have added the scan option to your control center, just go back and tap on the scan option. Now from here you can scan any QR code from your smartphone. For example, we will scan this QR code. And from here, as you can see, if you tap on open, as you can see, we have successfully scanned the QR code from our smartphone. And this is how you can scan QR code on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.